Google Calendar is one of the most effective productivity tools available, but are you making the most of its extensive features? If you're like the majority, you may not fully maximize its potential. Then, shall I take you on a journey to explore Google Calendar hacks to boost productivity? Create an event quickly. Open your web browser, then type as cal.new in the search bar, and then click Enter. Without manually opening an event box, you can use this shortcut. Next hack is setting a default reminder for every event. Go to your Google Calendar homepage. Then, click the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and select Calendar Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Settings for My Calendars and click on your calendar. Scroll down to Event Notifications and click Add Notification. Choose the desired number of minutes, hours, or days for your reminder. Next hack is setting a custom calendar view. You can add a custom calendar view of 2 to 7 days or 2 to 4 weeks. Go to the Google Calendar homepage and click the setting icon at the top right-hand corner. Click General, then View Options in the menu. Click the arrow in the drop-down menu and select your preferred custom view. Return to the calendar homepage and select Custom Calendar View from the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner. Next hack is using secondary time zone. Are you frequently managing schedules across various time zones? Say goodbye to scheduling errors using the Google Calendar's secondary time zone feature. Open your Google Calendar and click the Settings icon to open the Settings menu. Click the General option AMP, then select the Time Zone option. Check the Display Secondary Time Zone checkbox. Select the secondary time zone from the drop-down menu. Next hack is to set working hours. You can set your working hours to streamline scheduling for yourself and anyone planning meetings with you. Access Settings and go to General. Then click Working Hours and specify your desired start and end times. Please be aware that it's only accessible to Google Workspace subscribers. Have you ever mistakenly deleted an important event? No need to worry. You can promptly recover deleted events by following these instructions. Click on the gear icon and choose Trash Bin. Browse through your recently deleted events. Select the event you wish to restore by checking the checkbox. Click the arrow icon above the list, and the event is back to your calendar. Now, let's see some Google Calendar keyboard shortcuts.